12A. Private spaceflight. Airplane designer Burt Rutan was 14 years old when the USSR launched Sputnik 1. He believed that government research into space travel would someday mean he too would be able to journey to space. By the mid-1990s, however, Rutan had realized that waiting for the government wasn't going to work. It was then that he resolved to build his own spaceship. If my dream was going to come true, of floating weightless in the black sky and being thrilled by the sight of Earth from outside our atmosphere, I'd have to get things started myself, said Rutan. The dream of spaceflight. Rutan was encouraged to build his own spaceship by the history of airplane design itself. 5 years after the Wright brothers' first flight in 1903, the airplane was still just a dangerous curiosity. Only a dozen or so people had tried flying in an airplane. Yet by 1912, hundreds of pilots had flown airplanes of different designs that were developed through private enterprise. The bad designs crashed. The good designs flew. Soon, factories in France, England, and Germany were producing hundreds and then thousands of airplanes a year. Why? I believe the answer lay in two observations. That's gotta be fun, and maybe I can do that, says Rutan. The dream becomes real. Rutan's optimism finally paid off. In 2004, his specially designed spaceship, Spaceship One, successfully entered space and made it back to Earth twice in 2 weeks. Those were the requirements to win the $10 million Ansari X Prize, a prize designed to encourage the development of private space travel. Rutan's success got the world's attention, and various schemes to commercialize private space travel began to appear. An incredible opportunity. In one such scheme, Sir Richard Branson has licensed the technology of Spaceship One for his company, Virgin Galactic, which hopes to offer people of all shapes, sizes, and ages the opportunity to visit space. Virgin's first spaceships will have 2 pilots and 6 passengers aboard. Passengers will float weightless in space for 6 thrilling minutes as they gaze out at space through a large window. Of all the things we've done, Branson says, Virgin Galactic is the one I'm most excited about. Every time I look up in the sky at night, I think about how incredible the opportunity is. People have been waiting for this moment for thousands of years.